The public fallout between controversial ZANU-PF-linked entrepreneur Wickno Chivayo and his ex-wife Sonja Mazikanda is intensified, with both parties taking their dispute to social media. Zarapena mashiko mudanyi kwa pangona chinzi Chivayo Sonja feud explodes as social media threats escalate. Zarapena mashoko akuti tachitonyadzisa munhu anoonekwa kunzi ari respected munyika. Wickno Chivayo anozivikanwa kunzi ane maties even nemutungamiri wenyika, and anozivikanwa kuti is a businessman, a entrepreneur, kunyange zvazvo ane mamwe allegations, but panguva ino vanhu vanowirirana nawo vari mune zvematongero enyika vaita as the president, vanhu vanenge vachiexpecta to learn some things from him. Mukaona nerole yaanotora panguva inoyi achipa vanhu dzingava dzemotokari nezvimwe zvakadaro, zvoitika nemashoko ako ekuchinjiwa pasocial media, especially nehis ex-wife. Oshamisa vanhu kuti vasubscribe or like out on the bell icon. Zim aino mudanyira achiti over the weekend Chivayo posted a defiant message on Facebook declaring unwavering commitment in the face of the ongoing feud. In quotes, pakaimusha nerutendo rwaAbrahama, no living creature can separate us, no amount of live videos with false accusations can move between us. Takabatanidzwa nendowe yehwai, he wrote. The statement, which blends religious references with personal conviction, appears to dismiss allegations and public criticism surrounding the dispute. Meanwhile, Mazikanda has reportedly escalated tensions, threatening to reveal damaging information about Chivayo. In a warning circulating online, she said, V11 coming, WhatsApp groups are going to be created. Her remarks suggest a potential release of further claims or evidence, raising the stakes in what is quickly becoming a highly public and volatile standoff. The escalating war of words has drawn widespread attention, with observers closely following developments as the dispute continues to unfold in the public eye. Toma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe, mathreats avakupanana pena comment section medu zofungura imo today pamzero pechitwi ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.